When it comes to world-class battery training, Eagle Eye University is leading the way, offering best-in-class battery training both online and in person. EEU is trusted by Fortune 500 companies, major utility and telecom corporations, government organizations, and more, delivering the gold standard in battery education to thousands of students each year. Whether learning virtually, face-to-face, or at your own facility, Eagle Eye University can accommodate a wide range of specific battery training needs. At EEU, you can even learn about advanced stationary battery-related topics like battery management software, DC system design and safety, IEEE recommended best practices, battery monitoring systems, battery testing and data analysis, and so much more, all from proven industry experts with decades of experience. Whatever you're looking for, Eagle Eye University has the answers. Contact EEU today and discover your true potential. After all, at EEU, there's one equation that students always walk away understanding: